Welcome to BUNKR. In this video, you'll learn how to use our password manager, including importing all your passwords. You can create passwords to keep track of usernames and login credentials, or things like combinations or PIN codes. We also have a way to import all of your passwords on our desktop version. To use our password importer, first go to our website and download BUNKR for your computer. Once you have it installed, go to Vault, click Passwords, and Create Password. From here, you'll see an Import Files button on the bottom. When you export your passwords from most major password managers, it's compatible with our importer. Just select the file and click Import. And just like that, all your passwords are now in BUNKR. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it's been helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to BUNKR support in your direct messages.